In today's video, we're exploring the best intermittent fasting apps for Android that can help you manage your fasting journey and achieve your health goals. If you're looking to optimize your fasting experience and stay motivated, these apps are perfect for you. Let's get started. Intermittent Fasting Tracker. Intermittent Fasting Tracker is a popular app designed to help users manage their intermittent fasting schedules effectively. The app features an intuitive interface that allows users to easily set their fasting and eating windows. You can choose from various fasting plans, such as 16.8 or 5.2, and customize your schedule according to your lifestyle. The app also includes reminders to help you stay on track, as well as a journal feature to log your progress, moods, and weight changes. With its comprehensive tracking tools, Intermittent Fasting Tracker is perfect for anyone looking to stay organized and motivated during their fasting journey. Fasting Time, Intermittent Diet. Fasting Time. Intermittent Diet is a user-friendly app that helps you implement and maintain intermittent fasting effectively. This app allows users to choose from multiple fasting methods and track their fasting durations easily. It features a fasting timer that counts down the hours remaining until your next eating window, helping to keep you accountable. Users can also monitor their weight changes and other health metrics over time. Additionally, Fasting Time includes a community feature that lets you connect with other users for support and motivation. This app is particularly beneficial for those who appreciate community engagement during their fasting process. GoFasting Intermittent Fasting. GoFasting Intermittent Fasting is a comprehensive app designed to support users in their intermittent fasting journey by offering various tracking features and resources. Users can select their preferred fasting schedule and receive tailored reminders to keep them on track. GoFasting includes a fasting timer, progress tracking for weight loss and other health goals, and insights into the benefits of intermittent fasting. The app also features a food journal, allowing users to log their meals and monitor their eating habits. With its wealth of information and user-friendly tools, GoFasting is an excellent choice for anyone looking to take control of their fasting routine. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Intermittent Fasting Tracker, Fasting Time Intermittent Diet, and GoFasting Intermittent Fasting helps you find the right app to enhance your fasting journey. Until next time, happy fasting.